Hey guys, welcome to Binging, a new show on my channel where I try different vegan food items and let you know if they're worth binging on. Today, I'm trying different vegan egg products, and apparently with these products, you can try to make vegan eggs that look like the real thing. So I'm gonna make them and taste them to see how good or not good they are. Before I became vegan, I used to love eating eggs. I used to eat them scrambled. I used to make them into omelets. But when I stopped eating eggs, I had to resort to your typical tofu scrambled or your chickpea omelets, which are good, but they're not eggs. So I want to see how close I can get to making scrambled eggs with these vegan egg products and to see how they are texture-wise and taste-wise. So this is vegan egg and it's made by Follow Your Heart, and it comes in this little recyclable egg carton, which is more for looks because there's actually powder inside. When you mix the vegan egg powder with the water, you instantly get a smell of like rotten eggs, but that's because it has black salt in it, and that's a particular salt that does give off that smell. So it's not like it contains rotten eggs or anything in it, it's just the black salt that's in it. So not only can you make scrambled eggs with it, but you can make omelets and you can bake with it. So you could do vegan egg frittatas or use it in a recipe that calls for eggs. I could kind of taste the powder in it. You will have to season this very well, because if you just try to cook it like regular eggs with just a little bit of salt, it doesn't have much of a taste. There is like an egg aftertaste, and that's because of the black salt that's in the powder. But if you make this like you would normally make your eggs, like with vegan cheese, cut up vegetables, it'll taste more like an egg. I mean, plain like this, nothing really tastes that great. But I did put just a little bit of salt, and even with the salt, it still needs more seasoning. I found this on Amazon. This is supposed to be a vegan scrambled egg substitute. Also comes in a powder form, just like the vegan egg. It's supposed to be taste and texture of scrambled eggs according to its packaging. To make the egg, you just mix a few tablespoons of the powder and the water, and that's supposed to be equivalent to 2 eggs. So this one has a resemblance of scrambled eggs, but it still kind of has a weird texture. I mean, it's solid. And let's see what it tastes like. I could taste the Indian salt in it, but it still has like I could kind of taste the powder. And this was mixed well, but it has the resemblance of scrambled eggs. It may not taste like it, but then again, probably if I added more seasoning, this just has salt in it, it would taste better. I mean, it does hold up the texture and it holds its form. It just looks more like a mush of batter put together. But I mean, it's not the best looking scrambled eggs, let's just put it that way. If I put some adobo in it, it probably would taste a lot better. I mean, it's not the worst and it's not the best. If it's the only thing you can eat, then maybe you would find something else to eat. This is made out of chickpea flour and corn flour to give it, I'm assuming, the yellow egg color. To make the vegan easy egg, mix the powder with some water and some oil. This is the only vegan egg product that calls for oil in the mixture. The mixture was very watery, and it looked like it had some trouble mixing in with the water because it left a lot of powder residue in the bowl. This one took a long time to cook because it still had a lot of the liquid in the pan, and you can't really scramble it a lot like you would normal eggs. You kind of just have to leave it in the pan and let it cook. It's more mushy, whereas scrambled eggs, you know, you could scramble them, but they still kind of are solid. I mean, it's not bad taste-wise. It just tastes like chickpea. If you're looking for that egg taste, this one doesn't have it. I don't know how you would make this into an omelet because I don't think it gets hard enough for the omelet to support everything you put in it. I mean, as a scrambled egg, it's not that bad. I cooked it for like about 15 minutes, but it still has a mushy texture. Like it's like really soft. These would probably be like almost undercooked eggs. Just Egg is from Just, the company, and it's made out of mung bean actually, and it comes already in a liquid form, so you just really have to shake it and pour it directly onto the pan and season it how you like. Now the only thing about this is you cannot make it with other things, like you can't bake it in your cookies or anything that calls for an egg. This is strictly to eat as scrambled eggs or an omelet. Not only is this one convenient, but it cooks the quickest too. All the other ones took about maybe almost 10 minutes, some even longer to cook. This one cooked in under 5 minutes. I had scrambled eggs ready to go. It is probably the more solid out of all of them, and it has a very good resemblance to scrambled eggs, like cooked scrambled eggs. This one is not mushy at all. And let me see. It's not bad, doesn't have like a really eggy taste, but it does hold up its shape and it's not mushy. I mean, like I said, with all the other ones, with more seasoning other than salt, this would taste so much better. Omelets with this, like it definitely will hold up the ingredients you put in an omelet, unlike the easy vegan egg, which I don't think would hold anything in an omelet. So out of all these vegan egg products, I would have to say the Just Egg is my favorite, just because it's convenient and it's the quickest to cook. Taste wise, I would have to say Just Egg as well, and also vegan easy egg, because I'm not opposed to the chickpea taste. With all of these, the seasoning is like really important because they just have like a very neutral taste. For versatility, I do like that vegan egg you can use in baking as well as just eating a normal egg dish. I do wish that Just Egg could be used for baking. I know you can use them to make French toast, but it's very limited as to what else you can make with this particular one. So if you're looking for a vegan egg substitute, it is possible nowadays. These are just some of the products that are out there. If you know of any other vegan egg products I should try, please let me know in the comments below, and they may show up on a future episode of Binging. So if you like this video, go ahead and click on the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to this channel because there's going to be new binging episodes every week and you don't want to miss out. Also, click the bell to get notified of when those episodes are up. I guess I'll be eating vegan eggs for the rest of today, but you can watch another one of my videos where I show you how to cook a vegan meal by clicking on the video right here. And also remember to subscribe because there's going to be another binging episode coming your way next week.